Hi guys, my name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Laser Specialist. In today's video I'm going to be talking to you about laser hair removal for men, popular areas to have done and how to prepare difficult areas for laser hair. My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Laser Specialist Trainer, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics in Dublin. If you're a doctor, nurse, beautician or somebody looking to get into the aesthetic industry, you should consider downloading your free training module on laser hair removal in the description below this video, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, or if you're new, please subscribe. Boss community, where we upload 2 to 3 educational videos each week based on the aesthetic industry, and I'm proud to say that this video is sponsored by ClickFunnels, your online software for web, blogs and sales funnel needs. Make sure to check out your free 14-day trial in the link in the description below this video. One of the most common questions that I get being a specialist in the industry and performing laser hair removal for men is, how do you shave your back? Because you need to prepare the back to be clean shaved before you have a laser treatment done. And yes, it's quite a difficult area to shave yourself, so you are going to need somebody to give you a hand with shaving the area in order to have the area properly prepared for your treatment, so that you know when you go in for your treatment, the treatment that's going to be performed is going to be performed to 100%, and that you're not going to be having any areas avoided, or that you won't have to be shaving just before your laser treatment, which can cause an irritation on the skin, and if that were to happen, your laser treatment might not be able to go ahead on the day. So generally I would advise my clients to have somebody prepare the area for them, and to do that the night before your treatment so that the area is clean shaved for the day of treatment.